Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be breaking down the three-tier London Breakout Indicator for MT4. Okay, it's quite an effective indicator for trading the London session with precision. All right, so if you want to catch high probability breakout trades, then stay tuned. Okay. I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now, the three-tier London Breakout Indicator. All right, here we go. So the London Breakout Strategy focuses on trading the price range before the London session opens. All right. Since the London market opens hours before New York, traders get an early chance to identify breakout opportunities. Okay. So the three-tier London breakout indicator does this by marking BO. The BO represents breakout. It marks the BO signals along with the expected number of pips before a breakout happens. You can see BO 80 pips, BO 80 pips, BO 80 pips, right? Okay. And then it provides clear buy and sell targets. If you look closely, you can see buy targets, buy target 1, buy target 2, buy target 3, buy target 4, buy target 5. You can see entry for buy, you can see entry for sell. All right. And then you can see sell target 1, you can see sell target 2, sell target 3, sell target 4, sell target 5. Okay. And as you can see that this indicator, provides clear buy and sell targets, so traders know where to enter and exit, and it plots entry, buy, and entry sell markers. All right, you can see entry, buy, and entry sell markers. Okay, so that makes decision making easier, and the indicator displays different price range boxes to define key market levels. So now the indicator plots three types of boxes on the chart to visualize the market's price range. Okay, it plots the maximum or minimum box. The maximum or minimum box, that means it highlights the highest and lowest prices before the breakout. Okay, and then the limit box shows breakout zones where price movement is likely to accelerate. And then the stick box helps visualize price action within the range. So these boxes give traders a clear structural view of the market before making a move. Now you might be wondering, how do you use this indicator? You might be wondering, how do you use this indicator, for your trading? This indicator not only predicts breakouts, but also plots entry signals to simplify execution. All right, if you want to go long, you look for the BO signal on the chart. All right, you look for the BO signal on the chart. You wait for the entry buy marker after the breakout. Okay, make sure that you get your entry buy marker after the breakout. Then you enter a buy trade at the marked entry point. All right, aim for the buy targets as exit levels. Okay, you can see the different buy targets. Then if you are going short, you identify the BO signal when it appears. You wait for the entry sell marker to confirm the breakout, and you enter a sell at the given entry point, and then you can use the sell targets for your potential exit. So the key here is that the indicator automatically plots everything. All right. So there is no necessarily a need for manual calculations. However, take note that this indicator does not guarantee profit. Okay. There is no indicator out there that guarantees profit. In as much as this indicator could be effective, it still has the potential to generate false signals. All right. There is no indicator out there that is foolproof, and this particular indicator is not an exemption. All right. It's not an exemption at all. Okay. So pay attention to your risk management strategies. Ensure that you do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and make sure that you also employ good risk to reward ratios when using the indicator. All right. It's very, very important. So what makes the 3-tier London breakout indicator a good tool? One is that everything is plotted on the chart, so there is no need to calculate breakout levels manually. Another advantage is that the indicator helps you identify clear buy and sell entry points. Okay, so that helps traders to act fast when a breakout levels manually. Sorry, when a breakout happens. All right, it is important to note that when a breakout happens, retest is one of the things that validates a breakout. So you might want to watch out for a retest, okay, before entering. All right, and the indicator, provides an easy to use visual. Okay, the boxes and breakout markers make trend analysis straightforward. All right, so by combining pre-breakout analysis, entry signals, and trade targets, this indicator offers a complete strategy for trading the London session. Okay, so the 3-tier London breakout indicator simplifies breakout trading by automating key levels, entry signals, and trade targets. It's perfect for traders who want to trade the London session without missing opportunities. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful forex trading content. Do not forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next video.